Where your organization has a device that might physically interact with cardholder data, it's required that you provide training to your staff around the methods and means that you would require them to ensure the integrity of those devices. So we're going to look for an assessment perspective that you provided training. We're going to look at that training material. We're going to look and interview the staff around what is the training that they've received and making sure that they understand that they shouldn't be swapping out these devices without some type of management's authorization. If something shows up in the mail and says, here, this is your new point of sale device, please install this and send us back the old one, that shouldn't probably be happening. Okay? So from an assessment perspective, we're looking around the policies and procedures and the training that you've provided your staff, and that your staff are actually carrying out the activities that you've defined within your policies and procedures.